Hey guys, how are you all?
Today I am going to introduce new business opportunity product for our Tamil community by cash on delivery method. First, open selling marketplace. 1. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. 2. E-commerce websites. 3. Facebook page. 4. Local shops in your area. Product you're going to sell is car mp5 player. Cost price is only 2,300 rupees. Lowest price in India now is 3,999 rupees. Your selling price equals 3,500 rupees. Shipping plus other fees equals 400 rupees. Net sales amount you will get 3,100 rupees. Your cost price is 2,300 rupees. Your profit margin will be 800 rupees. We will help you source the product directly from the factory. Import the product for you and delivery to you doorstep. If you try to sell 5 pieces in one day, your profit will be 4,000 rupees per day. Good luck and subscribe to our channel for more new product updates. Thank you. With regards, Spazzy's Business Solutions.